Imagine a world where everything you know is just the surface. Beneath the familiar sights and sounds, could there be a hidden layer, a fifth dimension, waiting to be discovered? Scientists and philosophers alike have long wondered if reality holds secrets beyond our perception. What if the universe is more complex than we ever imagined? This is the mystery at the heart of our journey. Is there a deeper dimension shaping everything we experience? We commonly experience the universe in three spatial dimensions: length, width, and height. These dimensions allow us to describe the position and movement of objects in space. However, Einstein's theory of relativity introduced the concept of time as a fourth dimension, fundamentally linked to the three spatial dimensions. Together, space and time form what is known as space-time, a unified fabric that shapes the structure of our universe. This framework reveals that events and objects are not just located in space, but also in time, and that the fabric of space-time can be warped by mass and energy. In 1921, Theodore Kaluza introduced a groundbreaking idea: the existence of a fifth dimension beyond the familiar four of space and time. By extending Einstein's equations to include this extra dimension, Kaluza discovered that the mathematics naturally combined the forces of gravity and electromagnetism. This elegant unification suggested that both forces could be described within a single theoretical framework. Kaluza's proposal opened new avenues in physics, inspiring later theories that sought to explain the fundamental interactions of nature through higher dimensions. Oscar Klein advanced the idea that the fifth dimension, proposed in earlier theories, is not visible because it is curled up so tightly that it escapes our perception. To help visualize this concept, imagine a tightrope stretched across a gap. From a distance, the tightrope appears as a simple line, but up close, an ant could walk around its circumference, revealing a hidden dimension. Similarly, Klein suggested that the extra dimension exists, but its compact nature makes it undetectable in everyday life. This refinement provided a new perspective on how additional dimensions might coexist with our familiar three-dimensional world. Modern string theory proposes that the fabric of reality may include more dimensions than the three we experience in everyday life. According to this theory, there could be several additional spatial dimensions hidden from our direct observation. One intriguing idea is that our universe exists as a three-dimensional brain, essentially a membrane floating within a much larger, higher-dimensional space. This concept suggests that while we are confined to our familiar three dimensions, other universes or phenomena could exist in these extra dimensions, influencing our own in subtle ways. The notion of brains opens up new possibilities for understanding the structure and origins of the cosmos. The concept of parallel realities has fascinated scientists and philosophers alike. Quantum mechanics, particularly the many worlds interpretation, suggests that every decision or event could spawn a new, distinct universe, each representing a different outcome. This theory implies that countless versions of reality may exist simultaneously, branching out from every possible choice. Speculating further, some theorists propose the fifth dimension as a vast landscape encompassing all possible timelines, where every conceivable past, present, and future unfolds. In this framework, our universe is just one thread among an infinite tapestry of realities. Imagine entering the fifth dimension, where the boundaries of time dissolve and every possible timeline becomes visible. In this realm, past, present, and future coexist, merging into a single, eternal moment. Events are no longer confined to linear progression. Instead, they unfold simultaneously, offering a panoramic view of existence. This perspective challenges our understanding of reality, inviting us to contemplate a universe where all outcomes and possibilities are accessible at once. Black holes offer intriguing clues about the nature of gravity and the fabric of our universe. At their core lies the singularity, a point where known laws of physics break down and gravity becomes infinitely strong. Some theories suggest that gravity may be connected to higher dimensions beyond our familiar three-dimensional space and time. In particular, the concept of a fifth dimension has emerged, proposing that gravity could interact with this hidden realm. Exploring these possibilities may help us understand why gravity behaves differently from other fundamental forces and unlock new insights into the structure of reality. Some theories suggest that consciousness may not be confined to the familiar four-dimensional space-time we experience daily. Instead, awareness could potentially extend into higher dimensions, offering a new perspective on the nature of the mind. Phenomena such as déjà vu and near-death experiences have often been cited as possible glimpses into these realms beyond ordinary perception. While scientific evidence remains limited, the idea raises intriguing questions about the true scope of consciousness and its relationship to the universe. Exploring these possibilities invites us to reconsider what it means to be aware and how our experiences might connect to dimensions yet undiscovered. When we consider the nature of reality, it's remarkable to realize that what appears solid and tangible is, in fact, mostly empty space. At the atomic level, the vast majority of matter consists of tiny particles separated by immense gaps. Physics has shown us that the universe operates in ways far stranger than our everyday experiences suggest. Concepts like quantum mechanics and relativity reveal a world where particles can exist in multiple states and time itself can bend. The reality we perceive is just a thin layer atop a much deeper, more mysterious foundation. Considering the possibility of a fifth dimension prompts us to rethink the boundaries of our understanding. If such a dimension truly exists, it could either fill in the gaps of our current theories or open the door to even deeper mysteries. Rather than providing a definitive answer, the existence of a fifth dimension might suggest that reality is far more complex than we ever imagined. It may reveal that the universe is a multi-dimensional secret, inviting us to explore and discover layers beyond our perception. Ultimately, this reflection encourages us to remain curious and open to new possibilities in our quest to comprehend the cosmos. The universe is full of mysteries, many of which remain beyond our current understanding. Scientists have long speculated about the existence of dimensions beyond the familiar three of space and one of time. The possibility of a fifth dimension challenges our perceptions and invites us to imagine realities that coexist with our own. As we strive to uncover more about the nature of existence, the boundaries of what we know continue to expand. If there is a fifth dimension, we are already inside it. We just haven't learned how to see